How to log in to 24-hour fitness account. So if you want to log into 24-hour fitness account, then first of all you need to open up a browser and then go for the search bar and search for 24-hour fitness, and then go for the first search, which is login, and now it will automatically take you to the sign in page. So simply scroll down, and here if you don't have an account, then you can go for create new account and then you can create your account. But if you already have an account, then you can simply enter your username and then you have to enter your password. And after entering your username, here you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot my username or forgot my password. You can simply click on that and then you can reset your login information. You can click on forgot username and then you can enter your email address, or you can go for forgot password and you can enter your email address and you can simply click on continue, and you will get some instructions to reset your login information on your mail. But if you remember, then simply enter your password here on this blank, and then if you want to save your account, then click on remember me and then click on login. Or you can also log in with your social media accounts, which is your Facebook or your Twitter. But if you want to log in with your username and password, then simply enter it and then click on login. And that's it. That's how you log in or sign into your 24-hour fitness account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.